If you design pamphlets and magazines or have always wanted to, why not start with Studio? Let's design a simple magazine cover. Set an A4 canvas and a background color which can always be adjusted later. For our title, something bold and blocky will work. Enlarge it for prominence and let's use the bulge transformer to add a bit of dimension to the text. Next, I'll grab an image to use as a centerpiece. This could be something from Studio or your own. Let's crop it in to create a slight border. Let's add some secondary text. To contrast the heading, we'll keep this small and use a more traditional serif font. Add a few attention-grabbing headlines and play around with the positioning of these on the page. For an added touch of realism, I'll add this barcode PNG I downloaded from Creative Fabrica and place it in the lower right-hand corner. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.